Hey guys, it's Biff from Fearless Mods here. I wasn't going to do any video for this because we've already done the wheel bearings in the Titan, but I got to tell you, I've got this one pulled apart right here, and it just proved to me that I want to show you this. So those Mook bearings that we had got, and I replaced them both at the same time. The right one I've already replaced like a couple months ago because it immediately went bad. Even though Moog I think is a pretty good brand, I'm not sure what's up with that. So this one here now, I've got a second one that I've had since before we drove back from New Jersey, and the issue with it is, well, here, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so I've just pulled this thing apart and it's been making the creaking noises. I drove this thing all the way from New Jersey back out here. Now I've got the 3 bolts out of it, but this isn't going to move because I haven't started taking it out. But look at this. Look at that movement. It's moving the CV joint behind there. It's moving, I mean, that is ridiculous. So, I've got the replacement one. We're going to put it in and send this one back under warranty to Rock Auto. And they've been really good about it on the last one, so hopefully this one will be good too. Not real happy with these Moog bearings going bad so quickly. Maybe it was a bad lot, but the right one seems to be doing good since we replaced it and drove it from New Jersey, so hopefully this one will fix the issue as well. Alright, so we got some gloves here now that I've already gotten all greasy and pulled this out. Came out pretty easily. So here's how Rock Auto sends it back. Just a nice replacement Moog part. Hopefully, like I say, this one's from a better lot, because that's 2 for 2 that we've replaced after putting on the Moog parts to begin with. One thing I noticed on both of them is how much grease, it's like the seals on these things failed and allowed the self-contained grease to come out of there, and when it did, you could kind of see it all over the wheel. So the wheel was very black on the outside, more so than just regular brake dust. I had to go back in the original packaging when I sent it back to them, so here you go, Moog, have at it. Enjoy. And then I'll throw it back in this box with the way it came. Send it right back to them. Just take some grease here, get some grease on these splines so they can slide back and forth all right, where it's supposed to. It's just multi-purpose grease is all I'm putting on here. A little on the splines, and then a little bit here around where that inner flange will see. Just allow it to go on there a little smoothly. Remember, normally that would have been super hard to come off. It would not have pulled off by hand, but because we already did the work, it did. And there's not a lot of corrosion buildup in there, so I'm just greasing it up and put it right back in. If you want to see what it was like when this was coming apart, pretty simple. Just look over here. I'll drop a link up here to the original video, and you can go check that out. All right, nice shiny new one. No play in there whatsoever, nice and tight, still sealed. Now, one thing that when I was taking this apart, the first clue that there was going to be an issue with that bearing, other than the noise and all that, was this was finger tight. I didn't even need an impact to take it off, so I will put it back on with an impact and make sure we got it good and tightened down. But that's because that bearing, whatever had happened in that bearing, had caused it to, collapse and create some extra space in there, which gave the whole thing some play. These nuts don't have a retaining pin on the outside, a retainer that normally would go right up against the nut, keep it from rotating, and the cotter pin holds all that from backing off. Neither of these have that. I didn't mention it last time. All they have is a cotter pin that sits back from the nut. And really, by the time the nut backs out, the damage is done, as we just saw. Ready to button it up? Foot-pounds of torque delivered. So there we go, using the base auto hobby shop to get the job done, in and out in an hour, thanks to having already done it before and the parts not being all seized up. So now we'll go take it for a drive, and I'm willing to bet just on the drive out to the parking lot there were no squeaks, so I bet we are good to go. Another job, Fearlessly Mods, well done. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.